How to create animations and interactions with Wix Studio. So doing that is actually relatively easy. Just click onto the actual element that you want to add an animation into, and it should be able to open some kinds of settings and the likes. So click onto this icon right here in order to add an animation. Using here an animation, it can be entrance, loop, scroll, or other mouse effects. So just choosing here the animation that you want for this case. And then once you have chosen that, it should be able to be applied if you preview this particular site. So it's only available right here, so you can add the mouse effect, but you can also apply an animation when you interacted with something. Like for example, let's add an animation to this particular text. So into this text, you can click onto this animation icon again, and then you can enter in here other animation, like for example, breathing animation, folding animation, booking animation, and which one you actually like. So just head over and then apply those, and it will actually be activated once you open this site. Just save your progress and publish your site after this. So that's how you create animations and interactions with Wix Studio. Hope we helped.